Hey everyone, the POCO M7 arrives as one of those budget smartphones that manages to stand out for a very simple reason. Its enormous 7,000 milliampere-hour battery. For years, phones in the mid-range category have been gradually increasing their battery life, but seeing such capacity in a device that isn't an oversized rugged phone feels refreshing. POCO clearly wanted the M7 to be a practical, everyday device with mass appeal, and on many levels, it succeeds. The design is straightforward but modern, with a matte plastic back that resists fingerprints and sits comfortably in the hand. Despite its big 6.9-inch display, the phone doesn't feel unwieldy thanks to its relatively slim 8.6 millimeters thickness, though the 224 grams weight is noticeable. It has IP64 protection, meaning it can handle rain or splashes, but it's not fully waterproof. The large size makes it resemble a small tablet, which will either be a plus or a minus, depending on your preferences. That huge display is one of the phone's key highlights. POCO has equipped the M7 with an IPS panel at Full HD Plus resolution, and more surprisingly, a 144 Hz refresh rate. That level of smoothness is rarely seen in this price bracket, and it makes scrolling and animations look impressively fluid. Colors are vivid yet natural, and viewing angles are excellent, though the thick bezels and prominent chin remind you that this is a low-cost phone. Battery life, as expected, is the M7's strongest feature. With such a large cell and good optimization, the phone discharges slowly and predictably. Casual use like YouTube streaming drains only around 4% per hour, which is remarkable. The included 33-watt fast charger refuels the battery in a reasonable time, and the phone even supports 18-watt reverse charging to double as a power bank for other devices. Performance is where compromises appear. The Snapdragon 685 chipset is old and limited to 4G, so you don't get blazing speeds or future-proof connectivity. For everyday tasks like browsing, social apps, and video playback, it holds up fine, but gaming is confined to low graphics settings. Memory configurations are either 6 gigs RAM with 128 gigs storage, or 8 gigs RAM with 256 gigs, both expandable via microSD. The camera system is basic, a 50 megapixels main sensor and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. It's serviceable for casual use, but not for anyone expecting high-quality imaging. Audio comes from a single speaker, though Dolby Atmos helps enhance the sound somewhat. GPS performance is strong, making the phone a practical choice for navigation, particularly given the large screen. Overall, the POCO M7 is a very balanced device for its price. It won't satisfy gamers or performance enthusiasts, but it excels in the areas that matter to most mainstream users: battery life, screen quality, NFC support, and general reliability. It feels like a true people's phone, designed for those who want something affordable yet dependable for everyday use. If you can tolerate the ads in HyperOS and don't need 5G or powerful performance, the POCO M7 makes a strong case as one of the most practical budget smartphones available today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.